Ang nakaraan.
Dapat habang nagbabike, nagkakwento ka. Okay.
Okay. Check your gears. Gear up. Lock and load.
Balik na?
Diretso tayo.
Pabalik na ba ito? Hindi pa. Marami pa tayong pwede puntahan.
O, tara, tara.
Left dito. Galing tayo dito eh. Dito tayo.
Iksian lang dapat. Okay.
Pabalik mo ba yan?
Follow my lead.
Dito tayo galing. Paano mo nalaman ito? May GPS yung utak nito.
Oh. Tama na muna ang Korean novela. Masyado kayong ano eh.
May scout lang daw niya eh. Uy, si Joe. Guys. Mga scout. Mga iba.
Oh. No, know your pacing ah. Eh dito rin yun eh, yung kay Jong oh.
Masalubungin natin siya, no? Kasi bagong palakpakan.
Pabalik tayo, balik.
Jong!
Ho, 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 ho. Superman? Oo nga. Iikot lang yan. Wait lang, wait lang. Ayusin ko lang yung upuan ko. Sige, diretso kayo. Be careful.
Ang sabi, sumagot.
Okay. Okay guys, let's move out.
Namalo yung mga branches.
Be careful ah. Be careful.
May screw pipe po dito.
Be careful sa bridge.
Is falling down. Ano
May-
kwenta mo, Kid?
May offsetting pa oh.
Ano kwenta mo ngayon?
Ha? Oh, keep left.
Oh, keep left, keep left.
Right left. Incoming.
Incoming. Kababasa ng 9 gag yan, Aryan.
Ayan, dapat ikaw yung nagbe-bell.
Aryan, pwede mong pindutin?
Sa'yo may bell.
Kaya mong pindutin para selfie?
Di ba may bell sa'yo?
Meron.
Hindi nga.
Ito, tumutugtog ka. Ayun o. Gusto ko nag-awa kung sinitignan ko. Gusto ko pa sa rin. Ano? Hindi ka pwede sa convoy. Bakit?
Masyado matagal.
Oh guys, sharp curve. Sharp curve.
Likot eh.
Slow down.
Slow down daw.
Slow down.
Men at work.
No?
Men at work.
Men at work. Nax, men at work. Ikaw na, men.
Men at work.
Kala ka may network.
Oh, blind curve. Blind curve.
My network. Ano?
Blind, sharp curve.
Tipik. Ayaw eh. Oy, hindi pindot.
Puput. Oh, slow down.
Wala.
Slow down. Be careful.
Ba't parang bumalik tayo?
Bumalik na tayo. Other side tayo.
Ay, yung kabilang ruta.
Yeah. Nagdala tayo kanina eh. Nag-fork yung road.
Nag-pork.
Doon tayo sa kabilang
Hindi
side.
nag-chicken.
Beef.
Beef.
Vip.
Sinasabi niya. Ano sinasabi niya? Nag-fork kasi yung road. Fork yung road. Doon tayo sa kabilang side.
Hoy, pag magjojo kayo, make sure na hindi pa namin alam ha.
Dapat meron tayong ano? Joke wiki? Voyage song.
All my God, he had a farm.
E-I-E-I-O.
All
Sunod naman agad?
London Bridge is falling down. E-I-E-I-O. Okay. Mary had a little lamb.
Please, I want us to know.
Pwede.
Mga bata, may tanong. Ba't ganito? Ba't ganon?
Ay, siniskwela ba yan?
Hayaang buksan ang isipan.
Tahimik si Aris eh.
Ha?
Ayun.
Aris, show lang.
Oy, private, tahimik ka, push up.
Live more. Smart. Ano? Push up?
Push up, tahimik eh. 10
Push up,
counts,
sir.
10 counts.
1, 10.
My skin is dark already. My skin is dark already.
Where is he?
My skin is dark already. I said already.
Are you already?
Already.
Your knees start hurt already.
Oh,
Are you ready? Are you ready?
I am ready already.
Oh, so nice already.
What a great creature! Oh, that's a great creature!
What you say?
It's an amazing creature. Gonna turn right.
Kakanan tayo?
Kanan.
Kanan.
Right, friends, right.
Oh my God, he had a farm.
E-I-E-I-O.
Mary had a little lamb.
Please, I want us to
Okay,
know.
okay. Slow down. Oh, full stop.
Full stop. Sensory train. Na-sense mo ba yun?
Oh, let's go.
Okay na? Hello! So Ken, kamusta buhay?
Oh, that was close, man. Sorry. Did you see that?